What is going on, YouTube? All right, today we got an awesome thing to put on the boat. It's another edition. I ended up getting it from Facebook Marketplace, so it came out to be dirt cheap instead of buying the brand new thing. All right, so what I ended up getting is a hydrofoil fin. Now, what that does is, as the boat takes off, it goes up, the nose goes up in the air, so they call it the hole. I don't know if you guys ever heard of the hole shot. That's basically going from a dead standstill, getting yourself out of the hole and getting onto plane, because that's where you're going to get the best fuel efficiency, and that's where you're going to get the highest rate of speed, is when the boat is on plane. But when the boat is in the hole like this, it's so hard on the boat, and fuel mileage just itself sucks. Now, there are a couple of reasons why you're going to want to do that. One of them is actually wakeboarding or even wake surfing. This little tiny boat doesn't do wakeboarding, so we want to get out of the hole as quick as we can and onto plane, just to be able to get to that fishing spot really fast, or just cruise across the lake or something. Let me show you how this hydrofoil fin looks like. All right, so it is pretty straightforward. That's how it goes. It's not mounted. So it goes right on top of your cavitation plate. First thing I'm going to do is put this on, find the center of it. What I'm doing is this spot over here, aligning it up with these lines, so this looks center. Alright, so I'm going to demonstrate to you guys what the hole shot is, or being in the hole. So, as the boat's taking off at a certain speed, the bow of the boat's actually going to be really high. Here we go. So as you can see, you can barely see what's going on. You have to sit up really high because the nose of the boat's really high. Then when you look in the back, you're gonna see you're creating a huge wake. Now, as I was saying, that's really good if you're wakeboarding or wake surfing, but we don't want that. But I'm gonna show you how effective this hydrofoil is. So we are going at 30 kilometers an hour, as you can see. Now, before the hydrofoil, it would never plane out, but I'm going to plane it out right now, level out the boat, just by adjusting it. And if we turn around, you can see right away how much that came down. And the faster we go, the flatter it gets. So having a hydrofoil like this is really good. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do is we're gonna do a whole shot launch. So I'm gonna just hit full throttle and see how fast the boat planes out, or how fast it goes flat on the water, right? So you can tell by actually the wake. When the wake gets really small, you know that we're pretty much planed out. So we're in neutral, and now we're gonna launch hard. Hey girls, hang on. of the boat barely lifted. It was really cool. All right, let's do it one more time. We'll point the camera down the nose so you can see on how level the boat stays. Okay, so that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and honestly, this helps out a lot. All right, from our family to yours, what do we say?
Bye.
See you next time.
Bye.
All right, let's go have some fun on the water.